Hi guys, in this simple tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. Now what you guys need to do now is to log into your own Shopify store. Okay, on your Shopify dashboard, what you guys need to do first to remove taxes, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to select you want to click on taxes and .ts. Okay, now after that you want to scroll down, and here where it says include sales tax in the product price and shipping rate, you want to uncheck it. Okay, you want to just uncheck this, and then you want to click that's it, and then click on save in the top. Now you can also change you can also charge sales tax on shipping if you want. You can just click here, and this way it says here automatically calculated for Canada and European Union and the United States. Now you can do that if you want. Now after you remove the sales tax in the product price, click on save, and to remove shipping calculated, you want to click here where it says online store, and click on, after you click guys on online store, select here themes, and then you want to click here these three little dots here, and then click on edit default theme content. Now here you want to search for shipping calculated. Okay, just search for it, search here for shipping calculated here. After that you will see here what your buyers see on the product page when they are trying to purchase the item from you or the product. Now duties and taxes included, shipping at checkout without policy. Now you want to just enter here worldwide, okay, or whatever you want to enter here, or just I'm going to enter, for example, worldwide free shipping. Now this is what your buyers will see now, like after you add here this, and as you can see it says it's taxes included in shipping at checkout without policy. Do the exact same thing, worldwide free shipping, worldwide free shipping, worldwide free shipping, and then click on save. Okay, it says here something went wrong, please try again in a few seconds. Now it seems like you will have to do everything different. For example, I would say free shipping. Okay, this one again, free shipping, and this one free shipping. Now I'm going to try to click save if it's going to allow me. All right, it's saved. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says calculated, and as you can see shipping is still being calculated. Try again in a few seconds, you haven't been charged. Now you want to again do the exact same steps, shipping default value, just add here free shipping, and then click on save. Here where it says calculated taxes, you can type whatever you want there. Here cart, again here it says .use taxes included in shipping at checkout with policy, again free shipping, worldwide, whatever you want that will be displayed to your customers when they are trying to complete the checkout. Now you can do this all to everything here you want to change, you can change it to free shipping, and that's it. Okay, so now your buyers or your customers will see free shipping, okay, when they are trying to complete the checkout. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.